everyone, welcome to On the Other Hand. I'm Ariane Zurcher, and today I'm going to be demonstrating the Single Cast-On Bullion Stitch. That's what I'm calling it. I saw this stitch done on a video. There was no spoken language used, so I don't claim to have invented this stitch. However, I have no idea what they were calling it. So I'm calling it the Single Cast-On Bullion Stitch, and I'll demonstrate it in a couple of different threads and thread weights so you can see what that looks like and the variations. Don't forget to hit the like button, click on that subscribe button and the little bell that pops up for email notifications. I love hearing from you, so leave me comments in the comments section. And grab something to stitch with, grab a needle and some thread, and let's start stitching. I'm going to do a single cast-on bullion, and I'm using silk and pearl. This is the jelly bean, variegated silk and pearl. I'm going to do one right here in the middle. And what this looks like is you pull it up, and now I've taken my little tiny stitch, and now I'm going to do a cast on one, but then I'm going to do this one, the other hand, 2, and this hand 3, and then this hand 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, and I'm going to pull this through. And it makes this little loop, but it's different than a regular cast-on. I'm going to do a couple of more. So I pull all the way through and I come up just as I would a bullion knot. And I start my cast-ons. I'm going to pull this up. Anchor it. Come up for my next one. Start my cast-ons. So just so you can see the difference, so you can see a comparable thread. The cast-on bullion with a silk and pearl. This is the single cast-on bullion. So it's just a little different. I'll show it to you in a couple different threads. I'm using Dala thread with a bullion knot needle. This is Dala. It's a 5-weight pearl cotton. I'm going to go around the edge of this circle up, just like I would a regular cast-on bullion. I'm going to take my needle here, and now I'm going to alternate. So that's 5 on each side, and I'll pull this through. And I'm going to go to start my next one. Come out the other side, again doing my cast-ons. So there's my 10. Pull this through. Start my cast-ons. Next one. I'm just going to go all the way around doing this. I'm going to show you this stitch done with a bead. So a beaded single cast-on bullion. Anne, who is one of the members in the Facebook group I started, posted a video of this stitch. You put a bead on your thread, then you take a stitch right here, and then you do what looks like a cast-on, but you switch hands in the way that you're casting on. So what I'm doing is I'm casting on with my right hand, and then I'm casting on with my left. And it's creating a different look. I'm going to go, I need it to be long enough that it can wrap all the way around. It works, I think. I'm going to thread it, I'm going to anchor it right over here. I've done this again. And I've used my silk and pearl, and I did 28 wraps total, 14 on either side. I put my needle here through this stitch, and now put it through that bead again and anchor the bead down here. On the other side. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this interesting or helpful, and perhaps makes you think of how you might use these. I think it certainly has its uses. Don't forget to hit the like button, click on that subscribe button and the little bell that pops up for email notifications. I love hearing from you. Leave me comments in the comment section, and check out the description section where I'll leave these threads in the description. Until next time, here's to exploring stitches together.